Today we'll be taking a look at the Bow Elegant Back to Corner bathtub. This timeless classic, with its shadow line design and soft curves, offers grace and sophistication, sure to elevate any bathroom to the next level of luxury. This back to corner arrangement allows for the bath to suit smaller bathrooms or tight spaces, whilst also eliminating any hard to reach areas and still achieving a spacious freestanding look. The end and back of the bath is perfectly flat and fits snugly into a corner. The baths are available in either a left-hand or right-hand corner configuration to suit your space. The subtle raised plinth is a design feature that reduces visual bulk and allows the bath to suit a variety of interior design styles, whether that be modern, Hamptons or classic. Bow's elegant design is also available in back-to-wall or freestanding configurations, with the option of two sizes, 1500 and 1700 millimeters, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your bathroom without compromising on style. If you're 5'10" or taller and have the available space, we recommend that you opt for the largest bath in this range for the ultimate bathing experience. Made with a lightweight, sanitary-grade UV stabilized acrylic, there is no discoloration to the finish of the bath over time. The gloss finish is easy to clean and harmonizes with that of vitreous china toilets and basins. The entire Bow Bath range incorporates layers of insulation within the structure, which means heat is retained for as long as possible throughout the duration of a bath. Bring a touch of sophistication to your space and create a lasting impression with our stunning range of elegant baths, combining style and luxurious comfort. Visit our website now to explore the full range of Bow baths and find the perfect addition to your bathroom oasis.